Individuals are sleeping there. You know, these are. You can see that now it's early morning, but no process yet. So please ask from the Congress until to the POTUS, the President of the US, to evacuate all these individuals because their life is now really a danger. So they couldn't go outside. If they go outside, we don't believe on Taliban. They are slaughtering us. As we say, they give promise to everyone, but they slaughter and they kill them. So if you need more videos, I will give it to you. I will capture more videos.